Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to sync computer with internet time in Windows 10. Click search bar and type control panel. Click view by small icons. Click date and time. Click Internet Time tab. Click Change Settings. Check Synchronize with an Internet Time server. The drop-down list shows number of time servers. You can select any one of them. Click Update now. The time server is successfully synchronized. Thanks for watching. This video was helpful. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.